1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
So what's done to these?
It's just gutted and full bolt on it too. Oh, you want to race it?
Back in the parking lot. And this mom, she made it. First car meet. You're not staying too long though, because it's not that much cars here. Shout out to the LS boys. Slammed on the 350 wheels. Oh damn. Hold on, let me go check out the VQ boys real quick. Hold on. VQ boys. Alright guys, we got a little run. Subi versus HN. What the fuck is this?
What y'all doing, dig or roll?
I don't know, ask him.
Yo, you want to dig or roll?
Hey, I can't do this.
All
It
right.
gotta be after the thing though, right?
That's fine. Little roll, like a 10 roll or something.
So 10?
Go.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Tell him take it on the strip. We need a clean one.
Oh,
Hey.
that's it?
You want to go get it?
Yeah.
I'm down. But hey, I didn't know the road was going to do that.
Yeah, come on, let's go find a better road.
All right, let's.
I asked him what he trying to. I don't do digs though, that's why. Are you trying to do a dig?
I got, hey, no dig, no dig.
Alright, so let's go roll it. Count!
1, 2.
I think you. Oh, I think he missed. I think he missed. Yeah, he wasn't lying. Oh shit.
Now that he ain't got some brake boots. He ain't got some brake boots on. I ain't gonna lie, I let go here because I thought he was gonna get wet.
Word. Front wheel drive
I
shit.
ain't trying to have none of that.
Word. Back him up.
I gotta stop betting money when niggas go.
Word. Even if it's some light shit.
Right, because I'll be wasting my time.
Word. Gas and everything. Could have made a Carlo $20 even if he fucking little sack.
That's at least to fill up the tank here.
Word. Fill up the tank, get some buzz, something. Nice little run though. Oh shit.
I ain't gonna lie, I missed it, but I was waiting for another one. I thought you was gonna get on the highway or something. And then I seen you turn back and come back.
So what's done to these?
It's just gutted and full bolt on it too.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to race it? I'm down. I just can't do no digs, that's all.
Yeah, I had a feeling you missed.
Yeah, I missed, yeah. As soon as I fucking, I was like, stop this shit. Hey man, the way he looked back at me was like, hey, come get this off.
Word, that's exactly how he was
He
looking.
was like, hey, fuck with me. Back gonna get that? Nah, hey, bro, that bit fast though. The motherfucker was like, 1, 2, 3, God damn. Let's go. If back off. It's going to run it again, though. We can.
You wanna race this though?
Now he know. Now he know.
You'll be out. He's trying to do 10 rows.
You can probably handle it.
He's trying to do 10
rows.
rows. You're gonna
You
go
think I go from second to fourth with him?
Bro, you're gonna go first, second, you're gonna be out, and then once you hit fourth,
Yeah, you gonna let him lead.
that's
but
race
then you
done.
gonna catch
Yo,
up.
that race right here, from here to there, that's where you gotta go race.
It was a quick
It's
shit.
a short race. You're gonna get your first and your second. Put a little 50.
Just telling you, your training's gone, so just tell him the truth. Real shit.
Alright, we got another race. The return. Oh shit! Nah, what the fuck? Yo, I haven't been this shit in a fucking minute. Hold on. My fucking heart just fell out. We got fastest WRX in Central Florida.
Now you gonna really feel some pain.
At least he took the bet. Oh shit, hater.
Talk crazy, I'm busted fine.
I think you're still gonna get it.
I can do it like that.
Oh, nah, that's security, I think. About 370. One, two, three.
Yeah, he don't want it. He don't want it. He don't want it.
We gotta get on the highway.
That ain't
He don't like that. He don't like. I fuck with this nigga. We gonna get on the highway.
Hey, get on the highway. He said, okay.
He like that.
If I had that
It would
third,
be over.
that third really that pulling gear.
Wait, it's your third that's messed up or your
Yeah, I ain't got no third.
Oh, third. Oh, you're chilling now. I thought it was your fifth. So you got fourth, fifth, sixth.
Yeah, so I'll go from 1, 2 to 4, and then 5,
6. Oh yeah, that's it right there. That's all. That's it. Easy. You was pulling on him, so that ain't. For real? Oh hell.
Oh my God, he needs some milk. Oh shit, I'm pressing the wrong shit. International Drive, Kirkland.
Yeah, exit. That nigga going home. That nigga's taking
That nigga ain't
He's not even coming. Watch. He gone. Yeah, that's it. Collect your 25 and call it a.
Call it a day. Subi,
Yeah.
Subi made some money with a broken transmission, baby.
I say y'all wanted to see the Subi back in action.
Yeah.
Broken trans is still getting down.
You got it.
It's probably gonna be a separate video.
Oh look.
Oh shit, perfect exit. Wow, we could have just
Bro, we could have came right here.
word this whole fucking time.
It's straight
Oh,
though. I just
word.
need my gas back.
Word.
Better go put some E in here, baby.
I was over here recording. I was like, oh nah, this man about to catch a body.
This will be able to kick off.
It's up to you, man. You check engine light went away, or you just turned it off? Right here. Word, y'all niggas gotta make it home. This nigga about to blow his shit straight the fuck out. My boy said he tried to make it home. Fuck that. Yo, tell him we got gas.
Man, that man got the fuck out of me. Bad.
Nah, that nigga car took off. I ain't gonna lie.
Good, chilling.
Yo, what happened?
That nigga got him. His fifth gear's too sluggish.
I'll give you my car.
Yeah, he got him, but I don't think he pulled back up. Nah, that nigga got him. I ain't gonna lie, at first he was pulling. We was all laughing. We was like, oh shit, this nigga whipped out the knots because it's about money now. Nah, after like 70, 80, and it started hitting, this shit started. Yo, Dot, I don't think that nigga coming back with the money.
Nah, bro, I ain't got no third gear. I just raced the
That's not, huh? 8-gen SI.
Yeah, I can take it for a ride.
He was pulling at the start, but
I'm gonna take it for a ride real quick.
Yo.
yo, let me record it. Don't Mustang it.
No Mustang it.
This nigga shit is pulling.
I gotta reset my lunch.
Launch that bitch? Yeah, this nigga wild.
The training going anyway. Shit, fuck it.
My boy said he trying to sleep out here tonight.
That's the thing though, nigga. Nah, I ain't gonna even fix it.
Bro, that nigga
Y'all
shit
haven't
is
launched my shit in so long, nigga.
Nah, bro, his shit is pulling, bro.
See, you my dog for real, it's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling foggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.